In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own Rake task. In a Rails project, you often run commands like creating your database and things like that with Rake. So we have our a brand new Rails project here. And so if we go to database folder, we can run commands like rake, db, migrate. This is probably something you've done several times if you've built your own Rails project before. So as you can see, the development database gets created when I run that command, and I can also do another rake command and I can remove that database. So in this video, I want to show you how you can create your own rake command. And what you can do is open up the lib folder into the tasks folder, and in this directory is where you want to place your own rake tasks that you will be creating for your project. So go ahead and add a file. We're going to call this file demo, and you're going to end it with extension rake. It really is just Ruby code, but you use the .rake extension instead of the .rb extension. So let's create that now. So inside of this rake file, we are going to create a namespace. This is namespace. This is just to make sure it doesn't conflict with your Rails application. So typically you give the namespace you call it your file name that you chose, but you can really do whatever, and then you can do, and then let's give it a description. And let's just call it demo running a rake task. And then this is where we specify what we call the task. So task, say hello. And then this part here is where you specify if you need to load the entire Rails environment or not. For this demo, we do not need the Rails environment, but typically you're going to call other methods that are inside of your app directory, and so you will need to have your Rails environment loaded and your database and everything connected. So that's how you do that, specifying the environment there. And here we're going to specify our task, and we're just going to do something super simple and output hello. But here you can call other methods and calls like that in this spot. Now we're going to close it all out, save the file, and now we can run our own rake task. So rake, instead of db, we're going to call it demo because that's the name here. And then we're going to specify the task that we want to run. So colon, say hello, and press enter. And there it is. So that is how you create your very own Rails rake task. Thanks for watching.